Hey, let's talk about the second tree. I just want one tree to make a toothpick, you know what I mean? As a fella. This is the one I'm looking for, yeah! Hello, 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 hello. Yes, this is the one I want.
Hello, hello, Dello, Dello.
Jesus, peace!
You again, boy?
Don't like to follow me wrong so like a fat boy. Oh, they love me now, boy.
So what? You chop down all them trees for what? For what?
A toothpick?
A toothpick?
Yeah.
Your teeth so big? Your
Boy.
teeth so big?
You tell me.
Watch me. I just want her to do this, you know. Mother.
Do what again? Oh
Come,
God, oh
come,
God,
mother,
oh
come.
gosh. Watch now. You see today? Today I have a chop roast in my hand, boy. Me going to tell you,
Chop
boy.
cross, watch me.
Boy,
When
what
mother
does
done
man,
with
boy?
you, when mother done with you, you want to know yourself then.
Hey, what is going on here? What is going on here? You? Again? I talked to you once. I talked to you twice. What it is you doing here? For a toothpick? You see your mind? Your mind, Dellos. It stink and dirty. Your mind.
So, first was my clothes thing and nothing. Now to mine? If nobody name calling.
What it is you doing here? You cannot do that. You cannot cut down all the trees for a toothpick. You need to get permission, boy. What it is you doing?
Permission to make a toothpick? Come on. It's a toothpick.
That is your tree? You own that?
And I could have killed some animal homes too.
Boy,
There's a rare clots in already, man.
don't let me get upset. I tell you, this is my nice face. Don't do that. Go and find out what you're supposed to do. Leave the trees. You hear me? Don't let me have to talk to you again, you know.
Yeah, but here that's not. Me going through that rough up thing, you know.
Partner, like you want to deal with you again, you know. I go.
You better know what time it is. Yes, yes.
You see, brother? You see what she say? You need permission. You need to get a permit.
Yes, permission, I get the permission. But this time you ain't touch me, I have a chop roast in my hand.
You need to get the permit. If you don't get a permit, it's pressure. But here what's going on? We'd rather deal with you today, you know.
I have a chop roast in my hand.
Because you see that nice shears cutting down there? Yeah, that one right there. Have a nice business there. A hive.
It had
That on it, yes.
it had bees?
Them go deal with you for me. Later, Dello.
It had bees!
What is that? They chop down all them trees and them there. For what? For what? One toothpick?
Yeah.
What kind of madman thing is that?
You find that mad? So if you want to pick, where you want to get it from? It had bees? It's right through. Right through. Hello. Yeah. Hello.
Action.
So right through. First was my clothes thing and that. Now it's my mind. Now it's my mind. Really?
Action.
Hello, Dello.
Jesus, peace. You again? I think I do shit.